It might be a salmon. Oh, it's a red. It's a vermilion. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
Exactly what I wanted. It's a nice one. There we go. Oh, I'm ready. That tops off everything. Exactly what I wanted. Beautiful. Oh my God, I love these fish.
Yeah, buddy.
One of my favorite fish out here.
Give me a smile. Nice. Just what you were hoping for.
Exactly what I wanted.
Classic. Dude, the day got nice. Your mojo just developed.
Just spoke the fish I wanted into existence. Ow.
You hardly ever see a small vermilion. I think that they hang out in caves until they get a certain size.
Yeah, I agree with that. I caught like a 10-pounder at the Cape. Literally exactly what I wanted. Ow. Man, they got some sharp teeth. Yow! Oh, beautiful. Here's that fish. Finally. Those others came off. Here's just a rock fish. Nice black. Get in. You mind? Nice little black. Oh, just had another one. I got another ling. This one's big. Oh my God. He came back for it, yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just had him. I was like, oh my God, it's a big one. And then he came, and I was bringing him up, and then I lost him, and then he came back and got it. Oh my God, he's heavy. Oh, so heavy. Yeah, this is a 30 plus, I think. 30-inch plus ling, if it's a ling. Maybe halibut, who knows?
Super toad rockfish.
Is it actually?
Man, I had one of my clients catch like a 13-pound copper out of the Cape.
You're lying.
Gigantic.
What is it?
Ooh.
Oh, it's a halibut.
No way.
It's a pack.
Oh, fucking God, dude.
Is that a pack?
You are the man, baby.
Is it a pack?
To Cali. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yes. The Mays brothers are gonna be fucking so impressed.
Oh my God. And I have my rope.
Dude, what the fuck? Maybe we'll run into a halibut out here.
Maybe we'll run into
Oh my God.
a Lake California.
Dude, that's a 38.
Oh, that's my that's my biggest California.
Sweet. Might only be 34, 35. But I don't
Still,
care, dude.
a California in late December.
And it's almost the end of the year.
There we go. Came back for it. Oh. Oh, quality ling.
Legal? Looks like it.
Yeah, looks legal.
Oh, it's gonna be close. It's a skinny one, but it looks like a good one to limit it. Swimming right in the net.
I didn't think it was gonna be legal. When I first saw him.
You're getting spoiled.
Well, I mean, look what I've caught. Caught California, like a 30-something incher.
Nice limited ling. I can't wait to see how big that belly is. I've got a 40-inch crappie.
Do you? Don't they have a scale up at the cleaning station? Uh-oh, that might have been a bad idea. Cause I got another ling, and it's big. Is he dead? Is he dead?
Yeah.
2 lings in one 3-minute video. Instant regret.
Nah.
Better than being greedy. Oh, it's a cabbie.
Oh, there you go.
Oh no. Oh yeah, it is a cabbie.
It's a cab.
I'll net him.
It's a pretty nice cab.
Yeah, it is.
19. Wait, hold that pose.
What? Oh!
Dude, head shakes.
That might be another halibut. Oh, he just came off, I think. Oh, something better. It might be a small ling or a big rockfish. Huh? Oh, ling. No. I can't tell.
Is it legal?
I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's like, I know, he's like under my kayak. He's legal, I think.
Oh, it's right at. It's probably right at 22. At this stage of the day, we probably should keep, if we can. I'm gonna count my chickens here. Alright, now I gotta hold it.
I got another ling. Guess I'll just net it myself. Feels like he ran like a ling. Now he's dead weight. Doesn't take long at all. Yeah. Not legal whatsoever.
Oh, it might be legal.
That.
20.
Where do I have a hook at? I think he took it off. Almost not just down his belly. Yeah, he's like something like that.
You want to pin a herring?
Oh, that was a fish. Oh, here we go. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. There we go. There we go. Oh, he is heavy. He's almost fighting like a halibut. But I know it's not.
We wouldn't find some kind of surprise, but we know what statistics say.
What does the statistics say? Nice ling.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, that's a nice one.
27, 28.
There we go. Finally. And he's blue.
28 and a half. Nice, buddy.
There we go.
Told you we were just...
Oh! Got a little spunk to him. Nice little black.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, he will. There's a good fish. Oh, he's heavy. Oh, it's a big brown, absolute toad of a brown.